To enable Rocket Money bill negotiation, start by downloading and installing the Rocket Money app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, link your bank account to Rocket Money by providing your bank login credentials or using a secure third-party service. This will allow Rocket Money to access your financial information and identify bills that can be negotiated. Next, grant Rocket Money permission to negotiate your bills on your behalf. This can be done by accepting the terms and conditions and authorizing Rocket Money to communicate with your service providers. Rocket Money will then analyze your bills and identify opportunities for negotiation. They will work with your service providers to lower your bills and save you money. You can track the negotiation process and view the results in the Rocket Money app. To get the most out of Rocket Money bill negotiation, make sure to regularly review and update your account information to ensure accuracy. Additionally, be patient and allow time for the negotiation process to complete, as it may take several days or weeks to see results. By following these steps and using Rocket Money bill negotiation, you can potentially save money on your monthly bills and improve your overall financial situation. Rocket Money is a convenient and user-friendly service that can help you take control of your finances and make the most of your money.